Check that flip. Check that flip. Check it. Check it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this luscious cotton candy pink vibe, you know, that I got going on in my scalp. But before I continue, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on your girl. Alright, we get it? We got it? We're good? Okay. So, this hair is from LakiHair.com. It's an AliExpress brand, but I think they actually branched off into their own website, sort of like how Eunice did. Like a lot of these AliExpress brands are actually venturing off onto their own. So that's really good. And this is obviously the pink bob in 12 inches. And yes, it is a bob. It is so nice, like literally no matter which way you flip it. I don't really have it on secure all the way, you can see my sides, but either way you flip it, it's even on both sides. So I freaking love that about this hair. It's not sponsored in any way. I spent my own coin on this, alright? And this was about, I want to say 160, and literally there is no shedding, like no shedding at all. And I literally just like pulled as hard as I could. Okay, got two pieces, so it's fine. I don't want to pull too hard. You know, it's only got to be glued on. I ghost bond this baby on. So me being, you know, bright little star that I am, I took Shimmer Light shampoo to try and tone the lace and the, I don't know what the hell I was trying to do, but I ended up tinging it purple a little bit, like at the roots. It doesn't really look like it now because I put the heat on it and did pin curls to it, but like right here you might be able to see it. It's like just literally like a tiny little piece, and then like it made the roots like really like a frosty like lavender. I liked it, but it kind of went away, so I mean, I guess it's not a big deal now. It wasn't a big deal in the first place, but just thought I'd, you know, share my stupid moment with you guys. Don't do that. Don't do what Nikki did. So like I said, I pin curled the hair. This is, you know, a day full of pin curls. It kind of just fell out, but this hair straightened really easy and it curled really easy. When I got it out of the box, it was like straight. It was so freaking straight. So I washed it, and when I washed it, it actually had a really pretty like natural like wave pattern, and I believe that this is Brazilian straight too. Well, that's what it said on the website. And sis had a little wave to her. She was a little she was cute. She was really cute. So I would definitely wear her wavy too. It was definitely like a wet look that you could wear with this hair too. Oh, it was so pretty. I personally would rate this hair a 10 out of freaking 10. There's no shedding, like I said. The hair is literally just thick and beautiful. Everyone likes it. I like it. It makes this chocolatey skin just it's a vibe. I really do enjoy this hair a lot, and I probably won't be taking it off. This is a frontal wig, so this is an actual, like, they constructed it. I did not make this wig, not this time. I have other hair that I ordered from Laki that I made into a wig, and I will leave that link down in the description bar. I will also leave a link to this hair down in the description bar, so check the description bar please. And yes, like I said, I just love this hair. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell like I said, okay? And I'll talk to you guys next time.